Welcome to Story Time. Today we are going to read an Oxford Reading Tree Stage 6 story. It's called Dad's Grand Plan. Everyone was excited. It was holiday time. Kipper couldn't wait. Only 2 days to go, he said. Chip looked at Floppy. He was running round and round. They all laughed at him. See, even Floppy is excited, said Chip. Mom came in. She gave a big sigh. That was a family meeting, she said. What's that? Asked Kipper. Dad has a grand plan. A grand plan? Said Chip. What's a grand plan? I don't like the sound of it, said Biff. Everyone sat at the table. Dad had made a long list of jobs. I want everyone to help, then nobody gets cross, he said. Everyone looked at the list. They all had jobs to do. Mom liked Dad's grand plan. Chip was not so sure. I've packed my bag, said Biff. And I have packed my bag, said Kipper. I have not packed yet, said Dad. Why not? Asked Mom. I can't find my socks, said Dad crossly. The socks were in the washing machine. Why were they in there? Asked Dad. That was where you put them, said Mom. It was time to go. Dad's grand plan had worked. Nothing had gone wrong. There's no time, whispered Chip. Mom drove the car. Kipper was fed up. He didn't want to sit in the middle. You can take turns, said Mom. Kipper was hot. He began to moan. Can we stop for a drink? Said Chip. No, said Dad. It will make us late. Kipper wanted to change seats, but Dad didn't want to stop. Maybe we should, said Mom. Yes, we are all thirsty, said Biff. Mom saw a place and stopped. She looked in the back of the car. Where's Floppy? Gasped Mom. We can't have forgotten him. But it was true. They had forgotten Floppy. We'll have to go back for him, said Mom. So much for Dad's grand plan, said Biff. They went back and got Floppy, but now they were late. Mom drove fast. Slow down, Mom, said Kipper. I feel sick. There was a bump. What was that? Asked Dad. A bag had fallen off the roof rack. Mom stopped the car. The bag was in the road. It had come open. There were clothes everywhere. They looked like Dad's clothes, said Biff. Dad's socks were in the road. His shirts were in the hedge. His pants were in a tree. The children couldn't help laughing. Don't stand there laughing, said Dad. Help me pick up my clothes. This wasn't in Dad's grand plan, said Mom. At last, they got to the holiday cottage. Next to it was a little stream. There was a rope swing on the tree. It looks great, said Kipper. Dad unlocked the door. Everyone went inside. There's soot everywhere, said Dad. It has come from the chimney. What's that? Said Mom. A black bird was in the room. It's a crow, said Dad. It came down the chimney, said Mom. Dad caught the crow and let it out. Everyone was sorry for it. I'm glad it's gone, said Biff, but what a mess it's made. Cleaning up soot wasn't in Dad's grand plan, said Biff. Nor was having my pants in the tree, laughed Dad. The end.